land of the Masai Mara and neighboring Kenya is the northernmost part of the Serengeti Plains. While for the grazing animals the border between the countries may not present a problem, the rivers that run across the plains most certainly do. River crocodiles are attuned to this annual pilgrimage. As they play Russian roulette with their lives, this is the most hazardous part of their journey, and one that cannot be avoided if they are to complete their exodus north. Never more alone, and with no option but to cross, thousands of animals plunge themselves into the perilous waters. Many other animals are already there. For those in the lethal embrace of the crocodile, it is the end of their journey. Despite the dangers, the voyagers continue in what is the largest mass movement of mammals anywhere in the world. The need for fresh grass and water pulls the migrating vegetarians like a magnet. Young and old alike will attempt the journey as they travel across the reaches of the Serengeti and all the challenges it throws at them, hauling themselves to new pastures. We do not fully understand how these hardy animals know which way to go. But it is likely that it is more than just following the rains and new growth. More than just following the lightning and thunderstorms that predict these. It is likely that the instinct etched into the DNA of those that have survived this journey for generations must surely play a part.